Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. So I'm making a whole video, but here's just a little something for you. Yeah, I've been working on the 636 videos with the DX7S. And in my menu it said that I could adjust the brightness of the LED screen. But my DX7S, the screen never has lit up for me. So I had taken the screen out of my donor DX8. And now I've removed the screen from the DX7S, and wouldn't you know, take a look at this. Alright, what you're looking at is the screen of a Spektrum DX8, first generation, the silver transmitter. And these little wires right here, and this plug, and then this white strip down here, that's the part that lights up the screen. Alright, now I'm working on my DX7S. In the menu it says, it gives me an option to change the brightness of the LED screen. And I've never had an LED screen. Well, I'm looking on eBay, just browsing, and I see a DX7S for sale, and they have a picture of it turned on and the screen's lit up. So I said, well, I guess my LED part is burnt out. So we just took it apart right now, and when I got it apart on my DX7S, there's no backlit LED and there's no plug. So why in the the transmitter's menu does it give me an option to adjust the LED brightness, but there's no way to light up the LED? So I'm going to put the whole DX8 PC board, screen, and all in the DX7S. While I got it apart, the roller wheel was starting to give me some fits. I noticed I'd turn it a time or two, and it would skip. It'd bounce through some letters real fast or something. And that's because this potentiometer gets worn out and it gets dust in there and stuff. Well, I've got the roller wheel from the DX8 I'm going to put in there. And it goes right down in there. So I'm going to do that first. I got a whole video coming on this repair here. Got my other camera set up, and I'll have that coming out soon. But here's a little something. Thank you guys. Hey, subscribe so you don't miss this whole video. Until next time, you'll see my DX7S here.